Okay, I must start by apologizing on behalf of this digital multimeter because it's a touchpad digital multimeter. It has no dial, it has no buttons, it has no tactile feedback. So that's why I'm going to review a regular digital multimeter. This one with the dial is much better than the... So, anyways, I guess we are going to review the touchpad digital multimeter after all. Having a touch-sensitive interface or capacitive buttons is not as bad as I thought it would be. Actually, it's quite good. The touch areas are quite large, so accidental presses are not really an issue. It's also surprisingly responsive, even with gloves. You just need a minute to get used to it. And the fact that there are no moving mechanical parts, there is no dial, makes it more reliable. It gives it longer service life. When you don't have that many holes, it's also easier to seal it with just an O-ring all around it, and just like that, your meter is rated for IP65, which is perfect for rainy days, moist situations and dusty environments. Alright, let's take a closer look. The meter comes in a blue removable plastic cover for additional protection against drops and shocks, and for extra grip. But if it slips, no worries. At the back there is a stand and easy access to the battery and fuse compartments. At the top there is a light sensor that automatically turns on the backlight in dimly lit environments. Then there is the 6000 count dual display, and below that are the function and measurement buttons. By the way, to turn it on, to turn it off, or just to lock it, you need to slide or press a dedicated button, just like with your phone. At the bottom there are 4 terminals, 2 for current measurements, 1 common, and 1 for voltage and passive measurements. And one important thing, this is a true RMS digital multimeter rated for 1000 volts cut-free and 600 volts cut-4. Alright, let's plug in the test leads and see what it can do. AC voltage, DC voltage, AC current, DC current, resistance, capacitance, temperature, frequency, duty cycle, continuity test, diode test. When switching to a different measuring function, a red warning flashes on the display reminding you to check whether the test leads are connected to the correct terminal, so you don't accidentally pop up the fuse. While measuring, you can switch between manual and auto ranges. For more precise work, there are also dedicated millivolts, milliamps and microamp ranges. Other features include min-max, rel, hold, and even a memory function to save up to 10 readings. To save you some time, we already prepared the link in the description. Head over to TME's website, where you can find this touchpad digital multimeter from Axiomet. But not only that, at TME you'll find hundreds of thousands of specialized and everyday tools, components and devices for any situation. I mean, I don't know what kind of situation are you having, but we have the tool just for it. And the best part is that 96% of the orders are shipped at the same day. In the last decade, we have seen a lot of devices that go through transformation, becoming able to survive the harshest environments. Measurement equipment is not different. Why should the rest of your gear have a high IP rating, but your most used tool, your digital multimeter, should be left out? Well, now it doesn't have to be. Get your own Axiomet AX-160IP from TME.